In this video, I show you how to fix cannot Instagram problem from Play Store. For fixing this problem, go to your settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Play Store. Click on Google Play Store. Click on Force Stop. Click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache. Clear the storage, then delete. Now search for Play Service. Click on Google Play Service. Force Stop. OK. Now click on Storage and Cache. Clear cache only. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Play Store app. Get started. Use biometric. Now search for Instagram app. Click on it. Now click on install. Now I hope that this method fix cannot install Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.